In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize combination charts in Microsoft Power BI. We'll walk through building both a line and stacked column chart and a line and clustered column chart, then finish by changing the column colors to match your report style. Start by opening your Power BI app on your desktop and heading into one of your existing reports. With the report open, look to the visuals pane on the side and choose the line and stacked column chart. This visual lets you compare two related measures in one view, with columns showing totals and a line overlaying a trend. It's great when you want to highlight overall volume as columns while still showing a trend line across the same timeline. Add your fields to the chart, drag your month field to the x-axis to create a continuous timeline. Next, drag sales to the y-axis so the columns represent your sales amounts, then drag sales again into the line y-axis field. Using the same measure for both columns and the line is a quick way to see how the trend aligns with the totals across months. If you see months out of order, that usually means the month field needs proper sorting in your data model, so keep an eye on that. You should now see your first combination chart. Take a moment to confirm that the months span left to right and that both the columns and the line are visible. If the line looks flat, that's simply because it's on the same scale as the columns. In many real cases, you might pick a different metric for the line to highlight a complementary trend. Next, switch the visual to line and clustered column chart. This version places column categories side by side rather than stacking them, which is helpful when you want to compare categories directly without aggregation. Drag your fields in again, month to the x-axis, then profit or sales to the column y-axis, and the same profit or sales to the line y-axis. Choose the measure that best tells your story. Clustered columns make differences between categories easier to see at a glance. To customize the look, open the Format Visual panel on the left, click Columns, select Color, and choose the color you want. This affects the column series, helping your chart match your brand or improve readability. Stick to high contrast colors for accessibility and consistency across your report. That's it. You've built both types of combination charts and adjusted the column color to suit your design.